Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Sparkle Faith and Glam. So today we're going to be making Parmesan Brussels sprouts and mushrooms with fried eggs. And just let me know how you guys like this concept on how I recorded this. So right now I just added 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And then next we're going to go ahead and add in a half of cup of chopped onions. And then we're also going to add in the 4 cups of Brussels sprouts, excuse me. So then next we're just going to go ahead and stir those up and saute them for about 5 minutes. We'll go ahead and add our seasoning, salt, pepper. Honestly, you can do about 1/4 teaspoon of salt and pepper. I also added garlic and just some of my favorite seasonings because I love seasonings. And then we'll go ahead and add in about 1 PINT, which is 1 package of Bella mushrooms. I used the smaller ones and I went ahead and just cut those up. You can go ahead and cut them up as big or small as you like them. I don't like mine too big, so I just went ahead and kind of chopped them up. I know I said pint, but I meant pint. So you're going to go ahead and make sure to stir that for about 12 more minutes. Next, we're going to go ahead and add in the garlic, and we're going to cook it for about 30 seconds longer. So next, we're going to go ahead and add in about 3 tablespoons. I honestly feel like I did more than that. Of vegetable stock, or you can use chicken stock or beef or water if you like. I like the vegetable stock, so I use that. Then you're going to want to go ahead and let that cook for about 3 minutes or until the stock has evaporated. So while that's cooking, next we'll go ahead and toast some of the walnuts in a dry skillet. I honestly just like sprayed the skillet with coconut oil, and that was using about 1/4 a cup of walnuts. So we're going to go ahead and continue to stir those walnuts for about 3 to 5 minutes, making sure we're stirring frequently and until they're golden and fragrant. Once they're done, you're going to go ahead and just remove them from the pan, allow them to cool. Once they're cool, you can go ahead and chop them up. Alright, so here's where it's totally up to you. You can either go ahead and make 4 little holes and spaces in the Brussels sprouts and cook your eggs in that. Or what I do, because I like my eggs a little bit more cooked, my husband and my son likes them a little bit different, so I went ahead and cooked them on the side and then put them on top and added those chopped up walnuts and Parmesan cheese and went ahead and served it. They loved it.